You're a bunch of highly intelligent and attractive beings. I'm sure you figured out from that last clip that Dinosaur's Trivet is not going to be the conclusion to this video like I was hoping. I wanted to finish her piece. I wanted to finish her project as part of this video, but that's not going to happen now because her project is destroyed by both the machine and my bipolar disorder. So we will just do either Mike's cutting board, which will be made from one of these, or I'll conclude the video by wrapping these guys up, which I don't know if I want to do one giant cutting board or do two smaller ones. I'll have to poll the masses. But anyway, so I'm going to plane a few more things down, try to get an adequate one for Mike's project, and then we'll take that piece and this piece home to work on. Gotta get this bad boy shimmed up first though. So I was just going to throw my temper tantrum away and thought I'd at least point out that your boy's glue joint held. Let me highlight it for you. That's my glue line, and there's where it broke. So I mean, I may not always know what I'm doing, but sometimes I know what I'm doing. Oh hey, and I can use that to practice the wood burning on, since Dinosaur's piece is going to have a dinosaur scene burned on the back of it. I need to practice on some maple so I don't scorch the crap. So hey, not for nothing, right? It makes me so angry. It was almost perfect. You can't see him yet, but today I'm finishing up MJ's beautiful walnut cutting board. That's going to be his first cutting board from us. And I'm finishing up Janice's pattern cutting board, ingrain cutting board. That is her second from us. Thank you both for your patronage. Janice, thank you for your continued patronage. I did not show the last, I put like, these had like 10 mineral oil treatments. The wood was so thirsty. I really needed to just make a tub and fill it with mineral oil and start dumping these and let them soak in it overnight. And then maybe that'll speed the process up, I think. But that's going to be expensive, like probably $200 worth of mineral oil to be able to do that, plus a tote that's the right size. But either way, neither here nor there. And then I don't think I filmed it. I went ahead and put a first coat of tried and true natural wood finish on those. I'm going to go ahead and do a second coat since this is they're being seasoned, basically. I want to build that finish up so they're more durable and will last you guys many years to come. It's kind of nice, I think. At first I was like, oh, it's sort of a bummer that I didn't get the videos done before somebody ordered these pieces, because I like the idea of them coming with their story. But I do also kind of like knowing who they're going to, so it's a little more personal, I guess. Thinking about you guys while I'm making them puts a little more positive energy and intention into the boards, I think. So I'll let you see what I'm doing instead of continuing to do it off camera. But they've already been heavily seasoned until the boards would not take any more mineral oil. I let that sit overnight, and then yesterday I applied the first coat of tried and true. Like I said, it has to dry and cure for about 24 hours before you can put a second coat on. So that's what we're getting ready to do now. Burnishing with some 4/0 steel wool, both boards, and then we will apply the finish. All right. We got them. It's been a little over an hour now. Time to wipe off the excess and let these babies dry and cure so they can be mailed out tomorrow afternoon. This part of the process always bums me out a little bit to see how much of it is just going to get, how much of it gets wasted. So much has to go on for good coverage, and then you just end up wiping it all off. But it works, so can't complain. So there you have it, front to back, how these two cutting boards. I wanted it to be the dinosaur one to end the video, but it's going to have to be MJ's and Janice's. So that's the whole process from me working on them at that. Well, you guys didn't see me working on them at the house, but you saw where I had to go mill them at Justin's. You didn't see me working on them at the house, but you saw the end result there, where I guess not entirely start to finish, but you get the idea. You saw most of the process. Sorry this was kind of a lame video. Thanks for hanging out. And remember that we're all going through battles every day. Inside our minds and bodies that other people can't see and some that other people can't even fathom. That's why it's important for us to choose kindness and practice it in all of our affairs. Because we never know when something that we say or do could be somebody's last straw or it could be their saving grace. Remember to choose wisely. I'm glad you guys do. I'm proud of you. If nobody else has told you today, me and Grouchy Larry over there want to let you know that you are doing a good job. I love you, bye. What do you want for breakfast, Larry?
Good job, Daddy.
Thank you, baby.